G'day guys, welcome back. Let's put my other glove on. I take my glove off to use my screen on my phone. I've got some Boom Gel Stain. Now these were sent to me as samples. I just got these turquoise, light green and a teal. I'm just going to try them with the cell activator from Sheleeart, her blooms. So I've got my 3:1 cell activator in there, which is 3 parts Floetrol to 1 part of the white Amsterdam Titanium white, and let's see how that goes. Yeah, because I'd actually forgotten that Cass sent me these, so I'll give them a try. Just put some pillow down. It's just in this little tube for some reason. I don't know why I've got some in here. I must have been doing something with it. Let's just take that off, hey? I think I tried a dot painting with it to see how house paint would work. It dried quite flat. Actually, maybe a little bit more, hey? All right. Oh, look at that. There's a goober in there. Let's put that lid back on. So we shall try this gel boom stain. I've got my little barbecue fan blower because I don't need like a very powerful blower on here. Actually, maybe I need, what do I use? Now I use this one for my coasters, don't I? I've actually forgotten about my other little blower. Hang on one sec. When I was using my blower earlier yesterday, I was drying a painting, and because I had it on for so long, I actually melted the little plastic thing on the little medicine cup. So I just had to put another one on, ready to go. Yeah, I should have just used, I did then change to my hairdryer. Righto, let's get on with this. Some green, actually this is the teal. Never used these before. Not sure what the consistency. They seem a little bit thinner, I guess, than what I would use for, I just can't talk tonight. I wasn't planning on coming out tonight, it's late. And I thought, oh, I should get up and try that. It seems a little bit thicker than the consistency of my regular bloom technique. Yeah, I just can't talk at night. Right, let's just try those 3 colours. And some of our cell activator, and use the blower. See how we go. Trying to get that paint to move. I got it to blow out, and we've got lacing. Look at that. Wow. I'm surprised. You could see how the coloured paint was quite thin, like it was really going off to the side before my white was moving. So the white may well be maybe a bit thicker, or maybe even the same consistency as the colours. All right, let's spin this and see how we go. Oh, that's really pretty. Look at that. Was not expecting that. Still got a bit of colour on the corners there, whereas we've gone over here. So I'll go again. Now, try not to be tempted to tilt your bloom, because all you end up doing is making those middles like wiggly. Like if you tip that way, they'll kind of droop that way, and then they go all wiggly as you try to move them. So try to avoid that. Let's go the opposite way. I find it's better. You get a better result. Just leave them. Okay, I'm going to leave it like that. I actually don't mind the little bit of blue there. So what do you think for my first attempt at the Bloom gel stain? I'm impressed. Maybe they'll send me some more colours to play with. What do you think, Cass? I've only got these 3 colours. Ah, she might. All right, I'll leave it at that. I think that's looking really pretty. I actually haven't tried any other paints except for the ones that I usually use, you know, for my Bloom technique. I did Shelley's course and I bought the Jo Sonia's paints. Got lots of colours, cost me hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of dollars buying them all. But I guess I could try a different paints. But hey, look, these, we'll see how it dries, but you know, these have already got the paint. They've already got the pouring medium. You don't have to buy the house paint and the polyacrylic and the Jo Sonia's gloss varnish. And, you know, maybe it's not exactly the same. It did seem a little bit thinner to me, the paint, so we're getting a more sort of a spread out look. But for those that just want to have a go at this and not worry about getting into what, you know, all the different paints that you need to make your pouring medium, still need your house paint to go underneath for your pillow, but then, yeah, use your pre-mixed paints and then just your normal cell activator on top. And I say, yeah, give it a go. It works. Alrighty, let me take you in for a close-up. Let's move my tripod over a touch. Whoops, I'm making you seasick. Take you down for a close-up, eh? 7-minute video. Well, that's very short, isn't it? Where's my light? Let me see if I can just turn that light off so it's not so glary. That white corner there, it looks really nice, doesn't it, with that lacing on it. It looks a little bit more blue through my screen. When I look at the actual tile, it's more green. So when I put a photo up, you'll be able to see the correct colour. But yeah, at the moment it's looking much more blue. That lacing's really good. I wonder if I made my cell activator thicker, as in a 2-to-1 ratio, just to combat the thinness of the Bloom paints, stains. Got some really pretty lacing there. So it'll be interesting to see if other pre-mixed paints work. Actually, I've still got some. What have I done with them? I think I've still got some somewhere. I might have a play with them. See how we go with those. So there we go. And what else can I show you? I've got some dots drying under here. Second layer on that one. And those have just got their one layer. They've been sitting there for 4 days and they're still wet. So we'll have to wait. That was still my first recipe, so the white's a little bit thinner than what I'm using at the moment. I've changed to a thicker recipe, but those that are interested in blobs, yeah, you'll see the video soon enough. Okay, we'll just get back to this. Now that white area we had in the middle has pretty much filled in. Hey, I don't think I've shown you the middle. Look at the middle. Yeah, I'm really quite impressed. So yeah, Cass, send me some more paints, will you? I'll try different colours. Pinks, purples, oranges, turquoise, black. Black would be good too. If you're listening, All right. Thanks again for watching. I better let you guys go. And I'll find my, oh, I'm in the shadow there. I'll find my other paints and I'll have another go and see which premixed paints work with this recipe. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Signing out from isolation. I think I'm going a bit mad. I'll see you all soon. Bye for now.